name's Dominique and I'm here with my CB550 at the Bike Shed London show 2019. I've built this bike in 1.5 years, and the story behind this is that I went to Norway and I met a group of girls in Copenhagen, Ironbirds, and they inspired me to build my own bike. So I looked for a cool place in the Netherlands. I live in the Netherlands, and in my city, Groningen, I found Outsiders Motorcycles, and he helped me to build this bike. He gave all the advice and I could rent a table there. So now I will talk you through to the whole bike and start at the front. At the front we got the tires, the knobbly tires from Pirelli Scorpion Rally. I changed the front legs because the normal ones can't have 2 discs. So that's also the reason why I needed to change the brake caliper, and we need to make this part especially to bolt it on again. Then I modified the front fender. Then you're going to the headlight. The headlight has a switch here behind it. If you look next to it, the indicators are for Kellerman. They're really tiny but really bright. For the handlebars, I started to do a 3D print, and my boyfriend made them, and it's quite cool, and sprayed them black. You will see next to it the M-View mirror from Motor Gadget. It's made from stainless steel. It's not glass, so that's really cool. And I also used the Motor Gadget Speedo. The gas tank is a special collaboration between me and Dutch on Wheels. We made something with powder. So she created it to be like stardust and the galaxy. I think it's really awesome, especially in the light. If you go to the engine was in really bad shape, so I needed to do a whole engine rebuild. So I wanted to give it a little bit more power, and that's why I changed the camshaft from the 550 and put a 650 in it. I also bought power filters to give it a little bit of more speed. Then the exhaust is inspired by a V8 header. It's made by Luc Muis. It's my boyfriend, and he did a really good job. I wanted to be really short, but so that's also a reason why my ears bleed when I'm taking a longer ride. But yeah, if you want to have it pretty, then you have to feel the pain. If you go up again, you will see the brown suede. The seat is made by Massa Miller upholstery in the Netherlands, and there's a funny story behind it because I couldn't choose the leather, so I looked for a pretty leather, and then I sent him my shoes. So I said, yo, match the shoes with the seat, so I know it's a nice color. And then if we're going to the shocks are from TFX. They are a Dutch company. They made these piggybacks especially for the bike. I just need them to put in to the front because otherwise I couldn't bolt this on. The rack is completely made, just done with my own hands, and I think it's giving a more scrambler touch to the whole bike. I'll tell you also about the complete frame, of course, because we chopped off a lot of stuff. It's been chopped here and here and here for the foot pegs, so I can create new foot pegs if I want to have somebody on the back in the future. The coating is silver metal flake, and it's been done by Custom Coating Helvoort, also in the Netherlands. And it's really pretty, it's really shiny, especially when it's in the sunlight, and it changes color when it's getting darker. And then we are going to the last part, knobbly tires again from Pirelli Scorpion Rally, and the end is really clean. The fender is modified again, and you're seeing the blinkers, the indicators, not only indicators but also brake lights, really bright again. And then the final touch, especially for this show, is the Bike Shed London license plate. I really think it's a nice touch to the show. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed my bike. I'm really in love with it. So next week I'm going to ride it again, and subscribe to the channel. You will see many awesome bikes, and have a good day. Goodbye.